I'm Andrew Goddard, and this is the weekly Volatility Roundup from CMC Connect. Shares in the London-listed consumer goods company Reckitt Benckiser had a choppy week of trade. That comes off the back of news from around 10 days ago that a US court had found it liable in a $60 million lawsuit over its infant milk formula, paving the way for similar actions to proceed. The stock traded in a range of as much as 10%, and although it finished the week off the lows, remains down by a fifth on a year-to-date basis. 1 week vol stood at 62.34% against 48.5% over 3 months. A surprise rate cut by the Swiss National Bank as it responded to falling inflation pushed Swiss Franc trades into focus. Last Thursday's news came shortly after the Federal Reserve agreed to maintain its current monetary policy stance, bolstering dollar Swiss as a result. Over the last week, the pair gained more than 1.5%, driving volatility over the same period to 10.64% against 8.35% for 3 months. Prices for crypto assets remain unstable ahead of the anticipated Bitcoin halving event. Against the greenback, Bitcoin traded in a range of more than 10% last week, including a test of 3-week lows on Wednesday. The halving ought to be delivering support for the asset, and an uptrend does now appear to have reformed, with 1 week volatility printing 69.35% against 53.23% for 3 months. And optimism over the idea that the US may soon ease regulation at the federal level for the medical marijuana market, alongside news that Germany is to decriminalize possession and home cultivation from next week, rounded off a stellar week for CMC's proprietary basket of licensed cannabis growers. The asset's valuation has advanced by almost 50% since last Monday, hitting highs not seen in over 6 months. 1 week vol came in at 180.37% against 96.18% for 3 months.